Top 6. Classic wrist watch and 18 karat gold. Self-winding movement with date indication. Silicone balance spring lever and escape while. Sapphire crystal case back. Top 5. Self-winding movement showing the date function. Dial and gold power reserve 45 hour. Oscillating weight 22 carats. Water resistant to 30 meter. Case diameter 39 millimeter. Jewel 35. Frequency 3. Top 4. Power reserve indicator and phases and age of the moon. Water resistant depth is 3 bar. Case diameter of this watch is 39 millimeter. Balance spring and silicone function. Lines 12 Jewel 35 watch. Top 3. Bezel and dial flange set with 170 diamonds. Self-winding movement. Sapphire case back. Water resistant to 3 bar. Power reserve 45 hours. Oscillating weight platinum. Top 2. Wow, what a great piece, worth every penny. Love this mechanical hand-wound piece. Excellent timepiece. It's a great watch for everyone. What a nice watch it is. I recommend this watch at top 1. Scratch resistant sapphire crystal. Round 18 KT rose gold case. 44 mm case diameter, 17.05 mm case thickness, manual winding movement with 50-hour power reserve, water resistant to 30 meter,